So hi guys, I'll be assembling, this, what's that tawag ni GL? Bricks. Roblox. Sure. Alright, here's the piece. I have the manual, and of course I have my dirty matcha latte. So let's start! Sige. The first thing that I should do is to group yourselves into two. The boat is sinking. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into two. So what I'm actually trying to achieve here is we need the pool. I'm gonna update you guys if maka-assemble ba. But yeah, I'll do my best. Na-burn out on me while I'm doing my puzzle. Oh. So update. Mapanya ko na porma. Step 1 pa ko. And there are 15 steps. After 2 hours, update. Way almost. Hi guys, so I was finally dissolved na siya after 1 century.